welcome back to my channel. So I am coming back to you today to show you a couple of palettes, 2 palettes to be exact, that I had just recently got. You can kind of tell from the title below what the palettes are all about. So first, before I even get into those, I kind of want to say that I know I was on a roll with my YouTube videos, and I know I was coming and bringing them every week, and I have kind of been off like the last couple weeks or whatever, and I'm sorry. Some of you may not care, but for me, I want to apologize for those who do care. That a lot of stuff has just got shaken up. A lot of stuff had happened. I started a new job, which I will be making a video maybe about that job and the experience and everything like that. But yeah, it's just been a lot going on, and it just kind of got away from me. I gotta kind of find a balance in between like work and my son and recording videos. I haven't found that yet. If I started getting paid by YouTube, it'd be different because I slack off or whatever, make sure my videos come first. But until then, I have to handle business first. So without further ado, let's go right in. So the 2 palettes that I received are from the Juvia's place. So I have been seeing these palettes all over YouTube, social media. I know a few of my friends that have purchased these palettes, and of course, like, these colors that they have are just so pretty. So I'm just like, I don't really do colors like that. I'm normally like real neutral, real like, if I do something, it's like gold or whatever. Like, I have to be in a whole vibe to like want to do like some colors. So I was like, whatever, it's 2018, let's do it. I purchased 2 palettes, and I actually have been starting to like not really play around in them. I've only played around in like the browns or whatever, but I do plan on doing a look, and once I do a look, I will add them. Actually, I lied. I did a Valentine's Day look with a few of the colors. I'm gonna insert it right here. I don't know how I forgot. Excuse me, my mind like is all over the place. I was just sick recently, so I'm trying to get my life back together. So anyways, I had to make sure we can get this focusing because my camera be tripping. But this is the Masquerade Mini by Juvia. Like, look at those colors. Like, those are some really, really like bomb colors. Like, these, oh my goodness, like, I'm scared because, y'all excuse my nails too. But these right here, like, they're so bright and they're so pigmented. Like, let me see. Oh my gosh. Like, look at that. Ooh. Like, look at that. That is so pretty. Dang, I'm over here hitting myself. Like, those colors are just so vibrant. I want to see if this pink, how this shows up. Like, that is amazing. So like, I really do want to try and start using these. I mean, I have so many palettes that it's ridiculous, and I always like go right back to the same colors and never do anything. But I mean, with colors like that, I mean, it's good to even try them once. The packaging was really, really cute, let me say that. I mean, even though it was the same thing that's on the palette, this is the packaging that it came in. So it's the same design that's on the palette was on there, so you already know what to expect. And then it has like a few things. It says the Masquerade palette was inspired by the Festivus, usually filled with beautiful and striking colors. So it's a little story on back here, and it also tells you the ingredients, which I think is really cool as well. It tells you that it's cruelty free and it's made, it was created and formulated in the USA. So on to the next, and it is the Zulu palette. I think this is beautiful. Like, that is so pretty. Ooh. So when I did a look for Valentine's Day, actually, because I completely forgot, that was so long ago, I had used this color in the purples. So let me wipe my hand off. But I need a makeup wipe over here or something. Oh yeah, I had used these, the sparkly color, and I think I used the purple. I can't remember. But let's do a couple swatches and see how this one turns out. Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I just swatched this one and I just swatched that one, and look. Isn't that so pretty? Damn. That's so pretty. And that's like with nothing. I don't have no primer. I don't have no nothing. That's just straight color. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna try 2 more colors. And this stuff, like, is so hard to get off my fingers. Okay, so the shimmers show up a lot better. I just added the purple and the green. These palettes so far are dope. I mean, from the picture that I did, sorry, from the look that I did for Valentine's Day, it came out really nice. So I do plan on using these palettes again. Hopefully, like, I really want to start doing like some makeup tutorials on YouTube, but I'm gonna be real. I looked at some videos of like girls and their setup and how they get ready to do their makeup tutorials and stuff like that, and it just seemed like it's really a bit much. I am invested into like really going all in with YouTube, but bruh, I don't know. So yeah, oh, so I got my hair done. If you guys didn't notice, it was it's just body wave hair, but when I washed it, like, I decided to like blow it out and straighten it. So I've been wearing it straight, and I never wear like straight weave for real. It always has some type of wave to it. But yeah, again, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Like I said, I just wanted to come and show y'all those 2 palettes that I got. The colors, as you see, are super bomb. I'm super excited. Can't wait to do another look with those and come to y'all and show y'all what that turns out like. Yeah, so make sure before you go, you subscribe either down here or down here, thumbs up, and you go follow me on social media. I'll link my Instagram right here, and also I'll include my Facebook. I'm not on there all the time, but if you want to go follow me on Facebook and see what everybody else tags me in, then go right ahead, follow me on Facebook. I hope to see you guys again soon. I will try my hardest to bring you guys more videos. I'm definitely gonna try. I want to start vlogging, but my life is so freaking boring right now that there's nothing to vlog. Like, I definitely know you guys don't want to see me take my son to daycare, because that's all I'm doing right now, taking my son to daycare and going to work. But anyways, once I do something fun or interesting, and once I just get my ass out the house, I'll make sure that I bring that to you guys so you can see and enjoy a little bit of my life. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys later. Okay. So on to the next. I'm just all over the place. Let's hope my editing is good.